Hey guys, today I will be showing you on how to build a auto smelter for kelp farms. These are the materials. Place a chest where you want the dried kelp to go in. Now put as many hoppers as you want. Put smokers on top of the hoppers. After that, put hopper behind the smoker. Now put hoppers on top of the smokers. Now put blockers like this. On the other side too. Place rails like me. Now place a redstone block. Now place chests like this on top of the chest under.